Hi guys, it's me, Santa Shaggy. And I know what you're probably thinking. What are you doing on this page? I thought I saw you on another page before. Well, let me just tell you, me and a couple of Helper Elf friends of mine, we decided we would put our heads together and we came up with our own idea to do a page of our own. Yeah, so let me welcome you to Santa Shaggy and the Christmas Crew. Ooh. Yeah, we decided to make our own page. But fear not, I might be going over there every once in a while and helping out the old page that I used to help out with, 'Tis the Season. I agreed to maybe do a video or two or three or something like that. But that's all all on a different page. Let's talk about Santa Shaggy and the Christmas Crew. Yeah, we're really excited because, you know, in just a short period of time, just very short, it'll be a Christmas season. And we really can't wait. We've got all these cool ideas. How about we're going to be doing videos, and we're going to be doing all kinds of fun and interactive things. And some of you are already on board. Yeah, we got a lot of likes in just our first month. We started this at the beginning of the Burr months. Yeah, that was my whole idea of trying to good time to start it was September 1st. I uploaded it up at midnight. Yeah, on September 1st. So we started it off with the Burr month. But anyway, we've got a lot of likes already, and they still keep coming and coming and coming. I think we got something like 70 likes right now, which is very awesome. And we love each and every one of you. But anyway, if you haven't checked this out yet, and if you're watching this on YouTube, go to Underbar, and I will put all the information of Santa Shaggy and the Christmas Crew on Facebook. Yeah, well, you can come on over and give us a like and enjoy and sit and every once in a while we'll do silly stuff, and we might even do some things where you can actually interact with us live. That'll be cool. I'll give you the instructions when that occurs. I might do it in a video, or I might do it just typing it out or something. But anyway, I've got 4 other people who are with me on this, 4 other Helper Elves, and they will introduce themselves eventually. But I can give you their names right now, and they will come along sometime, and they will introduce themselves to you. We have myself, which is Santa Shaggy, and we have Lala Elf. Ooh. We have Easter Elf. Oh, yeah. We have Grandma Elf, which she keeps us all in line sometimes, and we've got some cool ideas for her to do. Yeah, stay tuned for those too. But then we have one elf that we just can't seem to keep control of. He's a mischievous elf. His name is Stinky Elf, and he always gets in trouble. But anyway, I will set it up to where they will all come in, and I might set up a thing. And if you guys go like that status, I'll have each and every one of the elves comment on it, and then you guys can, whenever they comment on it, it'll go straight to your notifications. We'll try to do that maybe sometime later on, and we'll just have a big good old time with this. Okay, keep an eye out for all these neat little things that are coming up. And let me be one of the first people to say, Merry Christmas! Let's have fun. Come on over. If you haven't come over yet, what are you waiting on? Christmas? See ya. Shaggy out.